The DJI Avata 2 FPV drone fly more combo is absolutely worth adding to your collection for anyone passionate about immersive drone experiences. If you are curious about the latest price of this drone, you can check it out from the description below. With its 4K ultra-wide camera and 12MP stills, you can capture breathtaking aerial footage with incredible clarity. The 155 degrees field of view combined with RockSteady and HorizonSteady stabilization ensures your shots remain smooth, even during high-speed maneuvers. This drone is perfect for filmmakers, adventurers, or anyone looking to take their POV content to the next level. One of the biggest advantages is its intuitive motion control. You can pilot the drone effortlessly with natural hand movements using the DJI RC Motion 3 controller, making it beginner-friendly while still delivering professional results. The built-in propeller guard gives an extra layer of safety, letting you fly in tighter spaces or indoors without worry. Plus, the lightweight and portable design, along with a maximum 23-minute flight time per battery, ensures you can enjoy longer sessions with minimal downtime, and fast PD charging gets you back in the air quickly. This Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, DJI goggles 3, and a full POV content bundle with deco gear accessories, so you're fully equipped right out of the box. The O4 transmission system lets you fly up to 8.1 miles away while maintaining low latency, offering complete freedom for creative exploration. On the flip side, like any high-performance FPV drone, there's a learning curve for acrobatics and advanced flight paths, but the intuitive controls help flatten that curve quickly. For those ready to elevate their flying adventures, this combo gives you everything you need. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for the latest pricing and bundle details.